Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I've been hinting at it, and Ezra and I are going grocery shopping. But first, I am going to go and take Ezra to a sweet little lunch first. They're making the tortillas. Now we're on to Walmart. Woohoo! You ready? Let's go look for your Halloween costume. All right, so we think we may have found your gift, or not your gift, your costume. We're just seeing if what Daddy thinks about it. Might be a little creepy. Wow, Ezzy, that's a lot. Why you get so much food? You always hungry, huh? Okay, you guys, I am ready to show you lots of food, apparently. I had a list, and of course I got more. But first, I wanted to show you, I got 2 of these. These are under $3, and they are pretty dang good for under $3. So I'm just showing you now because my kids want to cook them. Cook one anyways. So on to the next. All right, you guys, this may be the extent of some of my healthy food. I have kids and they're always hungry, and Walmart has the best prices on the inexpensive stuff that lets them eat quickly. I'll show you what I got. Apples, celery, and some Roma tomatoes, which are my favorite. I have some ideas, and I'll let you know as I get more of the vegetables out, which it's not that many. But this is the good stuff too. I also purchased 3 of these. There's another one somewhere. I'm gonna be making some meatballs with those. And I got some more of this Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, yeah. But it goes with the self-rising flour to make the yummiest bagels that are pretty healthy in my book. I mean, really, that's the only 2 ingredients, and it's equal parts, and it's under a Weight Watchers recipe. So if you look up 2 ingredient bagels and you add How Ines Rolls, I have a video. I got this in this the freezer section, this Japanese style teriyaki chicken for Paul, because we have orange chicken still in the freezer, and when I make that, I want to make something for Paul. We'll try it. I also got some tater tots. Now these tater tots are our favorite tater tots, and I looked at the ingredients, and it has corn flour, which is not wheat flour. So this is a go for you, Paul. Okay, I got some breads to put into the freezer. I got a few of the Grandma Sycamore, plus I wanted to get some of the wheat bread. So that was by request. And then I got a couple of these French breads because we sometimes just want to have a few slices. So I'll cut like this much, slice it small, put them in the toaster. It's perfect. We just need a little piece of bread with our meal. Sometimes that's just what we do. So this is really good too. And they even have one, I don't know if I've seen them down here in Las Vegas, but in Utah, they have a sunflower one, a sunflower honey wheat. That's super good. I got some gluten-free things for Paul, so this is one of them, the Quaker Oats. So he asked for some oatmeal. And then of course, I got some taquitos. I actually have a recipe for that I might do with those. So maybe I'll hold on for the recipe. So I got a couple of these mott sticks. Kobe loves these, and Kobe can cook these up really fast. So a lot of times before work. I got some butter because we go through lots of butter, and especially this time of year when I'm baking a lot more, I need this on hand. I got some bacon, and then I got these, Walmart has a ton of these like Halloween style different snacks and treats, and this one I'm sending actually to my son. So on the mission, Isaiah, he loves to bake, so I thought maybe I'll just send him a couple of things and I'll show you. So not all this junk food's just for us. I mean, I'm sharing this junk food. Okay, and then I got some of these little cookies for lunches. These were actually under $3. I think it was $2.97, and there's 12 packs. So I thought that was a really good price, and I'm gonna put them in the pantry, and hopefully it will be for next week. It's hard to say with these bigger kids. Okay, so I have another thing to send my missionary because his birthday is November 1st, and he'll be turning 19. So the little care package that we have is a little bit like, you know, necessities, and then a couple of like birthday things and some Halloween stuff. So we have this cake that he can make and just some frosting. Plus I'm sending him out some like his favorite candies that he could chop up and put on top. But in case he doesn't have a muffin pan, I'm sending out these little liners that you could just put on a cookie sheet and just fill them up, right? That's like the easiest way to make some cupcakes. I also, Ezra, these are his favorite. And so he will love these for however long it takes him to go through 4 little bags that I bought for him. So I bought him a special, the Captain Crunch with the Halloween that I thought he would totally love. Yeah, he doesn't like it. I don't know why. It tastes just like this, but it doesn't have the berries. So maybe that's why. I don't know. So we at least got that covered, and he will be happy for now. I got some Little Debbie's because with my birthday on Saturday, I thought I would give these out in the classroom as the special snack on Friday. So, ooh, I know the kids will love it. And then when I was looking at all this little Halloween stuff, they have apple pie, Great Value brand, which is pretty darn good. I like their chocolate ones, but I don't get them very often. But these apple pie ones sounded like a good idea. Another thing I need to put into the pantry. I did find some more healthy stuff though, you guys. I got a couple of bags of carrots and some lettuce. So the lettuce and tomato will go for like a taco salad. So I'm excited about that. I also got a 10-pound bag of potatoes that I smelled. They were fine. I also bought a couple of these thin sliced chicken breasts. So the thin sliced ones cook so much faster. And for a mama who's working or homeschooling, I need to get meals done quickly. So let me get the rest. Oh, and I also have behind me here just some like baggies and saran wrap and a ream of paper. And then look what else I got. I just got a little long sleeve shirt for my costume. I was kind of looking for a black one, but dark gray is gonna have to work. But look at these, you guys. You know how I wear these little nails sometimes. These are Halloween ones. How cute are those? I can't wait. So these will definitely be going on my fingers in the next week or so. So super excited. Okay, I got some more 2% milk and some vanilla almond milk because we do have some stuff to make smoothies in the back freezer. So I saw those and thought we should use them up. Plus I have some raspberries in the back that we can make raspberry banana shakes. Doesn't that sound good? So for Paul, I got him some beef jerky and these gluten-free Kind bars. These are what he loves to have as a snack. So they're good to have in the drawer. I also saw these. Look at these beef tacos. It's a kit. So if Paul wants to take them, then he can substitute these flour tortillas, and we got some corn tortillas. So they are somewhere around here. And I got some more strawberry flavored oatmeal. The boys like that. I did get some Crystal Light, but I also got a new flavor, so I'll show you that in a minute. And then just some sour cream. I got more eggs because I love having those for breakfast. And then the whole thing that started this, I needed some brown sugar. Woo, look at that list just grow exponentially, right? And I saw this and I thought, this will be for my birthday. So we'll have this on Saturday. Woo-oo. I love peppermint cream pies, and I love that it has a chocolate base, a chocolate shell. Can't wait to try it. And I love all of these holiday flavors. So let me hurry and put that in the freezer. All right, we're near the end, and I think Ezra's going to show you what he's going to be for Halloween, which can't wait. All right, so we got some party-sized Oreos. So we can either put 2 in a baggie for the boys and their lunches, depending on what's available. We will see. So I like to just keep those in the pantry, and then they will ask if they can open things. It's just how it works. And then I might go put them in the baggies. You can do all of that work. Okay, I got some of these cheese crackers. We do have some pretzels now, so we'll see. I think that should last us for the next couple of weeks. I always like to have some tortilla chips on hand because a really easy go-to meal is some nachos with some ground beef. Totally a family favorite. Here's those tortillas I said I had for Paul. And then I got some semi-sweet chocolate chips and milk chocolate chips because these ones are really good in just chocolate chip cookies to me. And then these are good in like everything else. So I just want to make sure that I have plenty on hand. You know, I am baking a lot more. And I will make like a batch of cookies and wrap those up individually, put them in the freezer for the boys' lunches. I also got some double pack of cream cheese. I love these for my bagels. I got this, the Sargento brand, because they didn't have the Walmart brand for medium cheddar slices, which is fine. Just get those. They weren't that much difference in price, maybe like 50 cents more. And then here's the other flavor for the Crystal Light. We got berry pomegranate. How's that, Jonas? Woohoo! He was like, can we get a different flavor? Finally, I did. And then I just got some new parsleys because I think my other parsley is getting a little bit old, so I want to make sure we have some fresher dried. That sounds kind of funny. All right, Ezra, you're up to show us.
I'm going to be for Halloween.
Here you go. What is that?
A clown.
A clown? So he's going to be a clown, and then here's the mask. What? Tell him what we're going to be, though. Like, why are you a creepy clown?
Because...
What are we going to be? A puppet family? A puppet family. Okay, take that. So it is a little creepy, right? So our thought is I'm going to be a creepy doll and Paul's going to be the puppet master, and we're just going to be like these creepy toys. It'll be so fun. I asked the older boys if they wanted to participate. I think our Kobe has to work that night, but I don't know what Jonas is going to be, so stay tuned. So thanks so much for stopping by and seeing this wonderful haul of extra healthy food. I know. So, but give it a thumbs up and just let me know in the comments if you have plans for Halloween and what you're going to be for Halloween. So thanks so much, Rollers, for stopping by, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.